If you love bread pudding, you'll love this bread pudding pie. Its primary flavor is orange, so it's not like your typical bread pudding. It's also got crust. Leave it to Mrs. Fisher to innovate. The bread is crumbed rather than diced, so the texture is smoother than your typical bread pudding. You add milk, orange juice, and zest to make the filling. The last ingredient is 4 beaten egg yolks. This all gets mixed together well. Wasn't that easy? The crust is easy too. The ratio is 4 parts flour to 1 part butter to 1 part water. That's just enough water to make a dough. I add a dash of salt too. If you use 1 cup of flour and do the ratios, that should be a large enough pie crust for this dish, with some left over in case of a mistake. You can pop this into the fridge for a few minutes to let things firm back up. Once you have a dough, roll it out to about 1/8 inch thick and place it into your pie pan. Add the filling and you're ready to go. Bake this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes until the pudding is firm. And this is what it looks like after it's done. It almost looks like a sweet potato or pumpkin pie, but the texture is more like a pudding than a custard. Mrs. Fisher added meringue to her pie. We're doing cherry preserves. I'm going to put a nice layer of that on top of the pie, and it's ready to serve. By the way, that cherry preserves recipe is below too.